Guys and girls, Master Ang picking a number to be called, and he will gonna give the 1,000 pesos. Oh gosh, he's gonna give 5,000 pesos. Did you hear that, guys? Oh my gosh, who will be the lucky winner for this Thanksgiving party? 5,000 pesos. Guys, as you can see, he's not calling numbers. Instead, he's just giving it now.
Ang mabilis lumapit.
I'm gonna try. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. This is some kind of a fun. Very fun.
Akin na yung mga number ulit.
So guys,
Saan tayo sa lupa?
he will be having another number to be picked for a 5,000 pesos.